Hello friends, welcome to another video from DIY Share Trading. In this video, we will be speaking on which is the best trading platform to choose. Now I have already done this video in Hindi, but I thought that for our English viewers or people who are not very comfortable with Hindi, I'll create a English version of the video too. Now, there are various trading platforms in India. Some are with very big brokerage houses like Axis Bank and ICICI Bank have their own brokerage firms, ICICI Direct, Axis Direct. So these are all available on India. Now, what we want is that we should choose a trading platform that is reliable as well as something that provides you all the capabilities and features. Now, I have used quite a few trading platforms with some of the very big brokerage houses. And finally, I have made a list and I have boiled down to some important points that we need to take care of whenever we are choosing a trading platform. This is a question that any new person who is coming into trading and wants to do online trading may have as to which is the best trading platform that he can choose from. So basically, I have classified the use cases or the things that you need to see before enrolling for any brokerage firm or registering for any trading platform is or can be divided into three types, that is financial, support and technical. Now, with respect to the financial part, what do you need to see? Number one, maybe you have just started trading. Maybe that you are just interested in stocks or just mutual funds, but you should not limit yourself to that much. It may happen that in the future you would like to trade in IPOs, in currency, in derivatives, and all such other options that a market offers to you. So in such cases, it's very important that your trading platform should have all these options available. So whenever you are approaching a trading platform or looking for registering into one, you should be asking these questions, that do they have all these features available on their platform? The next thing that you need to look at is you should ask them that do they provide live research capabilities? So by live research, I mean that on a daily basis, are they able to show you trends? Are they able to show you or give you feedback on what type of shares are the right ones to invest on? Which are the ones which might be making a loss? Do they provide you basically, in a sense, the right research calls? Do they provide you with all those information? Because someone as a novice or who has just started off with trading, you need to get these type of tips and information from your trading partner or someone. The next point is trading tips. Trading tips is somehow related to the previous point, that is research. Now, if the trading platform that you have registered with, is it providing you with the right trading tips at the right point of time? Say, for example, the whether they are able to tell you that whether a certain stock price is going to go up, whether they are able to provide you with this type of an information. Do they tell you what is the price at which you should be buying a share, a particular share? Are they giving you these type of tips? I have been very fortunate that the platforms that I have worked with, or I have worked on rather, have always provided very exhaustive trading tips. Some have been that elaborate that they have not only mentioned the stock to buy, they have also mentioned the stop loss that I should be putting in while buying that particular share. So probably that can be one of the questions that you ask the trading platform, the representatives who have contacted you, that whether do they provide trading tips to. Now, the next 2 points that I am going to speak about are very important, that is brokerage and the maintenance fees. These 2 points are very important because this is generally what everyone looks into before enrolling into a trading platform. What is brokerage? So whenever you are buying shares or whenever you are selling shares, the firm that is in between, that is your trading platform, it charges you a certain amount of money for each transaction that is going to go through. You're buying 10 shares, you have to pay not only for the shares but also a brokerage amount to the firm so that they can put that order on the market, and that is their fees, that is where they earn. Maintenance fees, similarly. What is maintenance fees? So maintenance fees is the fact that they are maintaining, the trading platform is maintaining your account, it is maintaining your portfolio, it is providing you all these capabilities. So for all of these things, they charge a certain fees, and that is your maintenance fees. So whenever you are logging into a trading platform or registering for one, you should check that the maintenance fees and the brokerage should be nominal or at least as less as it can get. Next comes the support part. We have just discussed the financial part. Let's go to the support part. What do we mean by support? Now you have gone into trading, you have enrolled for a trading platform. You should see what other type of support services that they provide. It will always happen that you have a certain query. Maybe it's regarding a stock, maybe it's regarding a feature on the platform. Do you have a proper support capability? Now the support in share market or the trading platforms is very much different from what you get in the traditional call centers. It's not like you are having a problem and you give a call to the call center, you are directed to an IVR, and you have to navigate through n number of menu options before reaching to an assistant or a real person to speak to. Here you need quick information. So what you need to do is you need to check that the trading platform is providing you with a personal assistant. Most of the big brokerage firms do so. The trading platforms and the brokerage firms, they do provide you with a personal assistant. So what do I mean by personal assistant? So it's a number and an email ID and a name that they give to you, and you can directly call that person whenever you are facing any issues. Number two, not only this, not only the assistant, but you should also be having a live chat capability. So by live chat capability, I mean that while you are trading, does your interface provide you with a chat capability or a chat engine? You may just put your query out there and you get an answer. The next point is web and app interface. I'm not really sure whether I should classify it in support or should I be classifying it in technical. Now, either way, it's a very important point to be covered. Now you see, whenever you have registered for a trading platform, you'll be getting an online interface. Most probably, you'll be getting a web interface. But is that enough? The thing is that today we are always on the go. We always are traveling somewhere, or we are going towards our office, or we are doing trading just as a part-time thing. We may not always have our laptop with us or the web interface to log in, and it is not a very convenient thing to do. So it's very important that the trading platform that is with whom you are enrolling, do they have an app interface also? An app interface should be very convenient, because whenever you are working out of somewhere, or maybe you do not have your machine in front of you, you can anytime log in into your account on your mobile app and you can see the details. Maybe you have placed a trade and you want to see whether you have your order has got executed or not. It's very important that you should always go for a trading platform which has an app interface. Now, let's go to the technical points. We have already covered the support part. Let's go to the technical part now. Now, from a technical perspective, what are the things that you need to see? First thing is that the platform that you will be using, you need to see that it is easy. It's an easy interface. It can be understood without any help. I mean to say that when you go to the application, it should not happen that for placing a simple buy order or to just buy a mutual fund, you need to give a call to the trading assistants and or the customer service and ask them where is this menu option. You don't want to call them and ask them these type of questions. It's not that they won't answer or there's any problem to that. The problem is that it might just be profitable to place the order at that point instead of waiting and spending your time on contacting the customer care. The next point is that the trading platform should have some speed, as in it should always reflect what's going on in the market immediately. So you can make a comparison whenever you're asking for a demo. You can ask them to show what is the current price that they are showing on the market for a particular stock, and you can also side by side go to Google and do a search on that stock and see what is the share price that Google is showing to you. So that way you can get a very good performance indicator of whether the performance of the platform is fast or not. And of course, accuracy is also very important. I don't know how would we be able to judge that, or how would we be able to monitor that, whether the platform is accurate or not on a demo part, from a demo perspective at least. But yes, you can at least ask them, and you can check around with your friends and colleagues and everyone whether the platform is fast and accurate. And the last point is that your trading platform should be able to work at even a low bandwidth. This is very important. Now you might think that why am I stressing on this point so much? But think, you are working on the market. You want to monitor everything closely, how your shares are performing, whether they're going high, low, especially if you're working on intraday trading. You might always be worried about it. So what do you do if you are working in an area with a low bandwidth? If your trading platform is technologically good enough to operate at a low bandwidth or at least provide you the relevant information, then there is nothing better. So guys, if you follow all the financial, the technological and the support tips that I have given, or the points that you need to check before registering for a trading platform, if you follow all of them, I'm very sure you cannot go wrong and you will choose the right trading platform for you. If you want to get some sort of a view of say Angel Broking, ICICI Direct and Axis, then you can refer to some of the videos. I have provided the links in the description below. You can look at those videos and find out how to buy shares, sell shares, what is the type of interface they provide. So you'll get at least an idea about them. So guys, I hope you found this video informative. If you have really liked this video, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and remember to press the bell notification icon. It's very important because you do not want to miss any new videos that are coming in your share trading venture. Thanks for watching.